Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe below. Yes, this same clothes, right? I've done a lot of videos just within this space. Okay, thank you guys for coming around and watching. Today's video is gonna be a little bit fun. Yes, this is expressions. I'm gonna tell you guys in Igbo expressions using emojis and what they mean in Igbo language. Do you understand? Expressions in Igbo language using emoji, the popular emoji on social medias, right? So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. And this one here now is smile. 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 The person the simile here, the emoji here is smile, and Igbo language it means ihuoma. 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 Ọ na-egosi ihuoma. He's showing a smile. She's showing a smile. Ihuoma. Ihuoma. And this emoji here is angry. Angry. In Igbo, it's iwe. 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 Iwe na-ewe. He's angry or she's angry. Iwe na-ewe. Iwe. That's the emoji here. Angry. In Igbo is iwe. Iwe, to be angry. Iwe, to show angry face. Iwe. Iwe. And this emoji here is laughing. Oche. Oche. Laugh. Oche. 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 That is laugh. And this emoji here is smirking face. Smirking face. In Igbo is like nkaspa again. Nkaspa again. Nkaspa again. What does this one? What can I do for you? What is your problem? Like, what is your problem? In Igbo, like nkaspa no again. Nkaspa no again. The smirking face is just my best. Like that facial expression. Nkaspa no again. Nkaspa no again. I love it. Winking eye. Winking eye. Ntabi anya. Ntabi anya. Ntabi anya. You know when they are checking you. When the guy is cutting eye for you. Ntabi anya. Ntabi anya. And this emoji here, lobster, odimnobi. Odimnobi. You know, you love the person so much. You have the person dear to your heart. Odimnobi. That's why that emoji says in Igbo. Odimnobi. Odimnobi. You know, you get it. And this emoji here says Nto. Nto. You're crying. Especially we do it often to kids when they are crying. Nto. I can even do it to an adult. Nto. Very funny. Nto. Yes. And the next one is Mechie onoge. Mechie onoge. You talk too much. You talk too much. You gossip too much. You put your mouth in things that does not concern you. Mechie onoge. Mechie onoge. Close your mouth. Mechie onoge. You talk too much. Close your mouth. And this first one is Oyi atubolam. Oyi atubolam. Oyi atubolam. I'm so cold. I'm very cold. I'm extremely cold. Oyi atubolam. Oyi atubolam. Oyi atubolam. Oyi atubolam. Yes. This one here is anger. Very, very angry. Obioko. Obioko. People that have this kind of anger will be waiting. Don't stay near them when they are this angry. Try to shift, shift very far, because people that are very angry like this, they spoil something and after then they remember and they will become sorry. They might even hit you. They might do anything. But after the sin, they remember, their senses will come back. It's obioko. Hot temper. That's hot temper face. Obioko. Very, very hot. This person is hot temperic. Hot temper. Very, very hot temper. Please don't stay near somebody that is angry like this. Shift. Come back and continue the discussion, because that person will do what he or she does not want to do and later regret. And by that time, you've carried the wound. You're the person that is suffering it. You understand? So when you see a situation like this, just shift one side. When the person calms down, come back and continue with the discussion. Obi oko. Don't argue with someone that has this kind of temper. Don't explain more to someone that has this kind of temper. Or don't stay close to someone that has this kind of temper. When this kind of temper arises, just shift back. What did I say? Shift back. Don't explain. Don't argue. Don't even bring up fight. They will kill you and and let us say they didn't know that is what will lead to that. But you have gone. Obiok. Obioko, they do things. In fact, they need sometimes they need prayers more. They need spiritual prayer. In fact, I don't know, but it's a problem. Not argue with such a person. Okay, okay. So, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Okay, and if you want to see more of Igbo meanings of those emojis you're seeing on social medias, I just brought 10 today to your doorstep. I want to know if you enjoy it. If you want to see more of this, just let me know down in the comment section. If you enjoyed it, let me know also down in the comment section. Remember, this is my channel, but it's your show. If you want to see vlogs of me, yes, from time to time, please let me know also in the comment section. This month is back-to-back video. I told you guys already. Please watch my videos, share my videos. Let's grow this channel before December 31st, 2022. I want to hit 1,000 subscribers. I don't even know how it's going to happen, Seth. I'm just saying. I don't know. I'm continue doing my thing to happen. Thank you guys for watching and then have a lovely day. Bye.